How to message someone on Tinder. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll learn how you can message a person in your Tinder account. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open up the Tinder application. Get logged into your Tinder account. Then you will see a messenger icon on your bottom right. Tap onto it. From there, if somebody has liked you or somebody has swiped right on you and you did the same to them, that person will be shown at this page under messages. It will look something like this. You will have the option to text them back. For instance, you will see write a message. From there, you can continue having a conversation with that person. But also be noted that you can only message someone if they have swiped right on your profile. Meaning both parties have to swipe right on each other's profile in order to have a conversation. And that is how you can message a person in your Tinder. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.